In this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable passkeys on your Binance account. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to manage your passkeys effectively within the security settings of your account. Begin by logging into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the security settings. This option is typically found in the account menu, which may be located in the upper right corner of the screen. After selecting security, look for the section labeled Passkeys. This area will display any existing passkeys associated with your account, allowing you to view and manage them. Next, you can choose to enable or disable a passkey. If you wish to enable a new passkey, look for the button labeled Add Passkey. Clicking this will prompt you to follow a series of on-screen instructions. Ensure you read all the prompts carefully and follow them to successfully add the passkey. If you want to disable an existing passkey, select the one you wish to modify. You will then see options such as remove or disable. Choose the appropriate option based on your preference and confirm your choice when prompted. After confirming your action, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a code sent to your email or phone number or answering a security question. Completing this verification is crucial to ensure the security of your account. Once verified, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been processed successfully. At this stage, it is important to check the passkey list for any updates. Make sure the changes you made are reflected in this list. If you enabled a new passkey, consider testing your login to ensure that it functions as intended. This step is essential to confirm that your settings align with your actions, ensure that you can access your account without issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.